Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and I hope that you can see the special line, which is a special type of a grid line. I forgot how the name of it, whatever. Basically I've applied it before I started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to reset the settings we have to enter the settings themselves. So let's tap on this icon in the right upper corner and scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it and confirm it. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the camera. We've got the terms of service, which is basically the very first evidence that we just successfully reset the camera, because this is the information, the terms which appear when you're opening the camera for the very first time. So that was the first evidence, and the second one, we cannot see this S line, the grid lines, which simply means that we reset the settings. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.